Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt again. Going back to an old project I had going, Star Destroyer build, and what we done. If we look, I think I put it on previous videos. Basically, we hacked it up pretty well and good. Cut down the middle, and took chunks out. We're gonna have some destruction there and there. And I filled in where I could see into the model. I filled that with cotton wool and then dropped some super glue onto it, which made it look like kind of burnt. That's the plan anyway. Still a couple of holes up there, I'm not bothered about those. So this is where we're at the moment. We're on a bit of this stuff which I acquired. Roughed it up with a bit of sandpaper, 800 grit, wet and dry, just to make it stick. Slate, which you can find on neighbours' gardens, driveways. Shouldn't be saying this. So yeah, which come out nice. Now I need to make some sand for it. I've got some sand, and I've been looking at other people's sand dioramas, and basically I need to make a contour, kind of wavy dune-like effect on there. So I might, they said, use decorator's cork or filler from the hardware store. It's the cheapest. Primer it, PVA, and then lay on your sand over the top. So I might do that, and then we'll look at dry brushing it. My dog is an absolute pain. Okay, so there you go. There it is. So this is a plastic kit. Okay, so it's about 7 inches long, with a separation in there is about 7.5 inches long there. No, about 6 inches long, I'd say. 6 inches long. It's now separated. Next 6.5 inches long. It's about 2.5 inches wide at the back, and that's it. I've got some copper wire in there. I've got some copper wire in there. Hopefully I can get some filler to go in there. So yeah, see how we get on. Get a bit of filler out. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next update. Cheers guys.